Umbilical Hernia Repair, Pediatrics. Introduction. Can you point to the muscles of the abdomen? Choose one of the following options. Correct. These are the muscles of the abdomen. Which of the following pictures shows a hernia? Choose one of the following options. Correct. This diagram shows a hernia. Are strokes and heart attacks common during and after this operation? Select yes or no. Correct. Anesthesia is safe, but the older your child is and the more medical problems he or she has had, the higher the risks. You should make your child's anesthesiologist aware of any medical problems your child has had in the past. Are infections very common after surgery? Select yes or no. Correct. Infections are rare. Though rare, infections as well as bleeding and scarring may happen. It is impossible to injure any of the internal organs in the abdomen. Select true or false. Correct. Abdominal organs such as liver and intestines could rarely be injured. Hernias may develop. Death is extremely unlikely but possible. The operation is always successful. Select true or false. Correct. Though the operation is almost always successful, occasionally a hernia could happen again and another operation may be necessary. Thank you for using Explain.